Hello friends, I was also looking through my comments and somebody had asked me about the Adept Cosmetics Unity palette, and they kind of said that they weren't sure whether or not this would be, it would go deep enough for them. And I felt bad that I couldn't really help them, but at the same time I was like, I don't even know if I did swatches on them, So I thought, okay, hey, I'll just bring out my palette. Looks like this. And do swatches. So I thought I would do some swatches, and I will probably just do them on my face. I'm trying something out. Have I told you what my name is? My name is Nicole. I like to play with makeup. That's literally the short and end of it. I am not a makeup artist. I barely know what I'm doing on here. But yeah, so I've taken off my glasses and I just want to let's just do some swatches. So starting off with let's do the mattes first, because I feel like the 2 rows of shimmers that could get really messy if I'm trying to swatch the mattes. So I'm gonna start off with the lightest one, I guess. Tranquil Tone and Moss. Okay. Oh, I need something to wipe my hands with. Oops, did not think this through. This is Mauve's Mist. Okay. Live a Little. That's pretty pigmented. And Balanced Brown. Put that on this side, just so you can see how light that one is. I mean, these ones kind of pick up. Let's see if I can build up that Tranquil Tone. Where's it right there? Not bad. So those are all the mattes. Let's go to the shimmers. Nope, I can't read. Unison Utopia. That right there. Oh, that's really pretty. Tranquility. Wait, was that one right there? There. Look at that shine. Rose Orchid. Serene Spirit. That is a pretty color. I just realized that there's blush on my cheeks. Hopefully that doesn't interfere with what's going on. I don't think so though. So that's Serene Spirit. Balanced Beauty. It's right there. It's kind of a little flakier. It's crazy because it looks kind of juicy in there, but it's definitely more flaky. Like it doesn't have as much body as that one or that one. Okay, Egalitarian, whoa, sound that out. Okay, Egalitarian Emerald. Pretty sure I remembered really liking this. Let me just put that down here. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Petals. That's like not, I actually like that. Again, like this one has like the least amount of body, so like maybe this would be a topper, more so of a topper, but even this one kind of builds up really nice. Let's put some more on there. I just want to see something. It has like the same feeling as that one, but it builds up like a lot easier. Did I? Wait. I have a line in my eyes. Struggles of having hooded eyes. All right, where was I? The Peaceful Path, the center one. It's probably hard to see, but that is definitely a multi-chrome. Is it? It looks green to me, but yellow to you. Let's put that there. Just want to build it up some more. That's a pretty color. Serenade. That one. This one feels chunkier, but if I remember correctly, doesn't have as much base as I would have wanted. So it almost should be a topper shade, or it almost could be, but well, I guess you could kind of build it up. Excuse you, I need you to focus. Again, not like that. This is like, that's a pretty color. These two are. Ooh. Actually, that pink too. Okay, and one more, Balanced Bond. Let's just make this even. So put that there. That's nice. Just want to build it up because I want to see something. My fingers look like that. Yeah, that builds up. Again, not like, doesn't have like that opacity. So this one and this one have that depth. This one, of course, is like a green bronzy moment. Ooh, I could wear this all day, every day. I mean, that one swipe would last all day, every day. But anyway, I just wanted to come on here really quick and show you these swatches. I hope it was helpful. Let me know. And if you want to see any more content like this, also please let me know. Sorry, I look so disheveled, but I just wanted to come on here quickly and show you. So yeah, this is what this palette looks like. Well, the swatches, don't look at my eyes, that's a different palette. And I will see you next time. I hope this helps. Bye.